was amazing. We just had like 1,000 courses. Thank you.
You're in for a treat. This is going to be such an amazing experience. Come with an empty stomach.
The other great news is that I recently actually established my Cotton Creations business. So
This was an amazing experience. I loved it. My favorite was the potato ball, the mac and cheese, the apple pie. Pretty much everything on the menu was so delicious. We had 8 courses.
Yes.
And it was delicious, and it was nice to enjoy an evening like this on our vegan journey and be able to try new things and have things that were tasty that we could relate to from our childhood, but it was vegan. Yes, it was absolutely wonderful. I am by no means a vegan. I love my meat every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But honestly, this adventure has completely changed my mind on what I don't need to incorporate every day in every meal and how many substitutes I can make for an amazing, amazing meal.
animal agriculture produces more greenhouse gas emissions than all the cars, trains, planes, and other forms of transportation around the world combined. It can stay in the atmosphere for 200 years.
I didn't know 200 years.
I am a meat eater, big time. I was scared, honestly.
Yeah.
Everything was absolutely amazing. Whole new perspective on things. Experience was great, food was great, host was great, everything was absolutely amazing. So we're walking out of here with our minds changed a little bit, I think. Yeah, a little different perspective on things.
Cleaner eating, but doesn't mean it's gonna be bad. I mean, if Shani does it,
We're in.
yeah, you'll be good.
Blew my expectations out of the water.
You're gonna be shocked. Like, super amazing. This is truly amazing.
I really enjoyed it. I'm not vegan. I've never really had any vegan experiences, but I really thoroughly enjoyed it.